Hello, welcome to episode 4 of Fork It Up. So I just finished my user flows, and now I'm going to add images of them to my README file. I'll probably take them out once the project is all said and done, but for now I want to have them right along with everything else as I'm working on it. So since I am in Google Slides, I can simply do File, Download, JPEG of current slide, right, have that. Go in my Finder. And I could do this on the command line, but I'm just going to do it right here. Get images. And I'm going to move this to that folder that I just created. Oh, oops, I totally did that in the wrong place. On it, this client 1. Okay, now I'm going to move it there. Clicking up here. Other documents, client, GitHub images, move, and right. So this is user flows, landing page, and sign up page. And sign up. Okay. And do the same thing here. Download JPEG current slide. And user flows. You get to check this first. Home page. So I'll just the home page. User flows. Home. So I paused recording and I finished up those screenshots, or saving it at the slides as JPEGs. And now I'm going to add them to my README file. And so what I did is, after my user stories, I just did another category with 3 hashtags to A, user flows. And then this is the format I'm using to add the images to my README. And I just copied it based off of this that my mentor showed me how to do for my capstone for my wireframes. So hopefully this is going to work. I'm going to do a test with this one. And I'm going to stage my changes. Added user flow jpgs, and we're going to sync. Alright, then I'm going to go and check on my GitHub. Alright, so it looks like that worked. 2A user flows. And there's the first one. So I'm going to add the rest of those, and I will see you tomorrow when I will be starting up that Trello. Thanks for watching.